these are the KastKing bait bags. And what I did, I actually hooked them on, I used a little tether and I just hooked them onto my kayak seat right here. So in this bag, I've got most of my kind of swim baits and bugs and things like that. I really like the quality of these bags. They pretty much hold everything that I need in there. They're waterproof. The zippers are nice and clean zippers on them. They have this little T right there on it. So it's got kind of like a little T. Check out how fast I can kind of like grab them, unzip them, and look how quickly you can do it. They have a little thing right here for like writing. It's in the bag. Say if you want to do, say I got like my scale in here, you can see I have those little Ned bait bugs, some Yamamoto swimmers, a couple of swim jigs. There's everything in it. It's got the KastKing logo right there, and it's sewn around. Very nice quality bags. So check it out. And I recommend getting a tether if you're going to use these in a kayak especially. See, I can slide that one, and then under the seat, once again, I have the tether right there. Here's all of my like soft plastic worms. Just so you guys can tell, I go all over I like experimenting with all kinds of baits. I just really like reviewing baits and doing different types of like see how different actions work and different colors and things like that. And once again, I got it tethered off right there. So pick you up a couple of tethers. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the KastKing large bait bags. These also come in a small. See y'all in the next video.